Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on the application of a royal match. Here we go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you search about the application of a royal match. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.